Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Mazan back with another incredible adventure. We're headed to a country that I'm completely obsessed with, the Philippines. I know what you're thinking. Philippines? Isn't that all about Boracay and Palawan? Yeah, those places are amazing, don't get me wrong, but trust me guys, the Philippines is so much more than the typical tourist spots. Think you've seen the best of the Philippines? What if I told you there's more waiting to be explored? Get ready for hidden beaches with crystal clear waters, lush landscapes straight out of Jurassic Park, and experiences you won't find in any guidebook. Today, we're taking you off the beaten path to discover the Philippines' best-kept secrets. We're talking about secret lagoons, hidden waterfalls, and local cultures that will blow your mind. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready for an epic journey to the heart of the Philippines. Alright guys, first stop on our secret Philippines adventure, Siargao Island. Now Siargao is known as the surfing capital of the Philippines, and for good reason. Just check out the waves at Cloud 9. Surfers from all over the world come here to shred these epic barrels. But Siargao is more than just a surfer's paradise. It's an island full of hidden coves, pristine lagoons, and a laid-back vibe that will make you want to stay forever. One of my favorite things about Siargao is how easy it is to escape the crowds. You can rent a motorbike and just cruise along the coast, discovering your own little slice of paradise. And trust me, you won't have to go far to find it. We're talking about places like Sugba Lagoon, where you can swim in crystal clear waters surrounded by towering limestone cliffs. It's like something out of a movie. You can rent a paddleboard or kayak and explore the lagoon at your own pace, or just chill out on a bamboo raft and soak up the sun. And speaking of soaking, you can't miss the Magpapunko rock pools. These natural tidal pools are only accessible during low tide, so plan your visit accordingly. But trust me, it's worth it. Imagine swimming in these crystal clear pools with the waves crashing against the rocks just meters away. It's an experience you won't forget. But Siargao is not just about the beaches and lagoons. The island is also home to lush jungles, waterfalls, and caves just waiting to be explored. You can go on a jungle trek to Tok Falls, where you can cool off in the refreshing waters after a sweaty hike. Or you can visit the Taingban Cave Pool, a hidden gem tucked away in the jungle. And of course, no trip to Siargao is complete without experiencing the local culture. The people here are some of the friendliest and most welcoming I've ever met. They're always down for a chat, a laugh, and to share their love of their island with you. So yeah, Siargao is definitely a must-visit in the Philippines. It's got something for everyone: surfers, beach bums, adventure seekers, and anyone looking for a little slice of paradise. Next up, we're heading to the northernmost province of the Philippines, Batanes. This group of islands is unlike anywhere else in the country. Forget about skyscrapers and traffic jams. Batanes is all about rolling hills, dramatic cliffs, and a way of life that's been preserved for centuries. As soon as you step off the plane in Batanes, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. The air is fresh, the pace of life is slow, and the locals are some of the most hospitable people you'll ever meet. One of the most striking things about Batanes is the architecture. Instead of concrete buildings, you'll find traditional stone houses with kogon grass roofs. These houses have been built to withstand the strong typhoons that frequently hit the islands, and they're a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the Ivatans, the indigenous people of Batanes. To really experience the beauty of Batanes, you need to get out and explore the islands. One of my favorite places is Sabtang Island, which is just a short ferry ride from the main island of Basco. Sabtang is home to some of the most picturesque villages in the Philippines, with their traditional stone houses, cobblestone streets, and stunning coastal views. Another must-visit in Batanes is the Marlborough Hills. These rolling hills offer panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean and the surrounding islands. It's the perfect place to just relax, take in the scenery, and maybe even have a picnic lunch. And speaking of lunch, you can't leave Batanes without trying the local cuisine. The food here is simple but delicious, with fresh seafood, root crops, and vegetables being the staples. One of my favorite dishes is the vunung, which is a dish made with gabi leaves, coconut milk, and pork. But perhaps the most unique thing about Batanes is the Honesty Coffee Shop. Located in the village of Savidug, this unmanned store operates on the principle of honesty. You simply take what you need and leave your payment in a designated box. It's a testament to the honesty and integrity of the Ivatans. Batanes is a truly special place. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with nature, culture, and yourself. Chapter 3, Camiguin, the Island Born of Fire. Our final stop on our secret Philippines adventure takes us to Camiguin Island, also known as the Island Born of Fire. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Camiguin is home to 7 volcanoes, but only one of them is currently active. But these volcanoes aren't just geological wonders. They've also shaped the island's landscape and culture in fascinating ways. One of the most popular attractions in Camiguin is the Sunken Cemetery. This eerie but beautiful site is marked by a large cross that rises from the sea. The cemetery was submerged during an eruption of Mount Vulcan in the 1870s, and today it's a popular spot for snorkeling and diving. Another must-visit is White Island, a small, uninhabited island just off the coast of Camiguin. White Island is basically just a sandbar that appears and disappears with the tide, but it's the perfect place to relax, swim, and soak up the sun. But Camiguin isn't just about beaches and volcanoes. The island is also home to lush forests, waterfalls, and hot springs. One of my favorite places to cool off is Catibawasan Falls, a towering waterfall that plunges 76 meters into a cool, refreshing pool. And for a truly unique experience, you can't miss the ardent hot spring. This natural hot spring is heated by the nearby Mount Haibok volcano, and it's the perfect place to relax and rejuvenate after a long day of exploring. But what really makes Camiguin special is its people. Despite facing numerous challenges throughout their history, the people of Camiguin are incredibly resilient, optimistic, and welcoming. They're always happy to share their culture, their stories, and their love of their island with visitors. So there you have it, guys. 3 of the Philippines' best-kept secrets. Siargao, Batanes, and Camiguin each offer something unique and unforgettable. So what are you waiting for? Skip the crowds and discover the hidden gems of the Philippines. Whether you're a surfer, a beach bum, an adventure seeker, or just looking for a unique and unforgettable travel experience, these islands have something for everyone. Remember guys, travel is not just about ticking off destinations on a list. It's about immersing yourself in new cultures, connecting with people from all walks of life, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. And that's what the Philippines is all about. So pack your bags, book your flights, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which island you're most excited to visit. See you in the next video. Peace out.